Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, we saw US market yesterday was trading thinly because of the shorter trading day and has ended in positive. Uh, Today, US market are closed, whereas Asian markets are indicating some mixed trend. Some are positive, some are negative. We had seen good run up in the Indian market as well since last 4 5 days. So it may take some rest for a few days. Uh, so overall seems more of a sideway market today, considering the environment. Now request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open on a flattish note, and we're likely to witness some sideways momentum during a day. Sir has rightly pointed out that since we have seen a very good rally in the last week, and probably the profit booking can be witnessed at the higher levels. Now, going ahead, Nifty has a immediate resistance at around 19,400 levels. If it surpasses that level on the closing basis, then the rally is likely to be extended towards 19,500 to 19,620 levels. Whereas on downside, as of now, the swing support is placed at around 19,250 levels. Below that level, 19,180 and 19,000 levels can be tested on the low side. But it's a stock specific market. One can trade the transaction with the strict stop losses. Coming towards the bank nifty, for today intraday purpose, the resistance is placed at 45,640. Above that level, 46,000 levels can be seen, and 46 to 8,300 levels can be seen on the higher side. Whereas on lower side, the support is placed at 45,000. Any move below that level on the closing basis will attract some sort of a profit booking, which might take a bank nifty towards 44,670 to 44,500 levels. Coming towards the Fin Nifty, 20,430 and 20,560 are the crucial resistance level. We need to keep eye on it. Whereas on the downside, the support is placed at 20,150 and 20,000 levels are the crucial. So the overall view is definitely positive short-term periods, but the profit bookings cannot be denied at the higher level since we have witnessed a very good rally in the last week only. So we request the clients and traders to book your profits at the higher levels or at least hold your long positions if you have any with the strict stop losses. That's it from my end. I request derivative team to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, we are witnessing that the OI positions which is getting created right now is on the positive front. While we are seeing that on the monthly basis for the overall July series at 19,300 and 500 is the initial resistance zone for the Nifty, while Nifty is trading above 19,300 level, but still we are seeing that the call rider positions are heavy at 19,300 level. So till the time 19,300 call rider positions is not getting liquidated and shifting and higher, and till that point of time, we might see Nifty to play to around 19,300 to 19,350 range, while it has given a clear indication for the next range toward 19,500 level in last two trading sessions. So we expect the market trend to be positive. Another positive factor which came out in yesterday's session was PCROI. PCROI in the last week and the Friday was close at 1.57, and yesterday it came down at a 1.48 level, while the Nifty was up by almost around 100 to 120 points, but PCR came down by 0.9 basis. So this is a positive sign because it has given a more chance for the difference on the upside to get around the 1.60 to 1.65 range. So currently, as per the PCR and OI data, the outlook seems to be positive with a supportive range of 19,200 level. Once if Nifty goes below 19,200 level, then we might see some break towards this rally of a market. So till the time it's not going below 19,200 level, we should hold the long positions for the upside level around 19,500 level on the spot basis. On the stock specific front and index specific front, we expect the banking to show positive strength as bank nifty has given a major breakout of 44,500 level, and from last two trading session we are seeing that the bank nifty is continuously holding the supportive range of 44,500 level, while fmcg index also looks positive. So currently, stocks from the FMCG and banking will show more positive strength in coming trading sessions. Selective stocks would be Axis Bank looks positive, while another counter which looks positive will be Zydus Life, Ibul Housing Finance, and HDFC Limited. These four counter looks positive in coming trading session. So that's it from the derivative front. Thank you.
Good morning. Hero MotoCorp and Harley Davidson have launched their co-developed premium motorcycle, the X440 in India. This is positive for Hero. The ex-showroom price of Harley X440 is rupees 2.29 lakhs versus if we compare it with Royal Enfield, the classic 350, it comes at a price of 1.93 lakhs. So almost a 20% kind of premium to that. So there could be possibility that the Harley bike can take some market share from Eicher Motor, depending on how successful the bike is. IDFC and IDFC Bank have announced the merger ratio of 155 shares of IDFC Bank for every 100 shares held in IDFC Limited. This is positive for IDFC as the ratio is in favor of IDFC Limited, and there is still an arbitrage of around 16%. Genus Power Infrastructure has won an order worth 2,200 crores for appointment of advanced metering infrastructure service provider, which is more or less similar to the EPC project, which includes design, supply, installation, and commissioning of 27.7 lakh smart meters. So this is a big order compared to the size of the company, so it is positive. Bajaj Finance Q1 business update was strong. Growth has accelerated. Customer franchise stood at 73 million, up 21% year on year and 5.6% sequentially. The company recorded highest ever quarterly increase in customer franchise of 3.84 million in Q1. Accordingly, the AUM grew by a healthy 9.2% sequentially and 32% year on year to 2,70,000 crores. So even at such a high base, company is being able to grow at 30% plus levels, which is commendable. Also, the Q1 sequential growth rate of 9.2% is the highest that we have seen in last 16 quarters. So expect stock to do well in the short term. M&M Financial Q1 business update was also positive. Disbursement stood at 12,150 crore, registering growth of 28% year on year. AUM also grew by 28% year on year and 4.6% sequentially. Collection efficiency is stable at 96%. Stage 3 is also stable at around 4.4%, but there has been some reduction in stage 2 to 6.5%. Tube Investments unit TI Clean Mobility signed an agreement with Jayem Automotive's promoter and Mr. Anand Jayachandran to foray into electric small commercial vehicle business. TI Clean Mobility will invest 160 crores and Anand Jayachandran will invest 40 crores to form this subsidiary. It also inked a pact to acquire 50% stake in Jayem Automotive. So these developments are positive and the company seems to be moving in the right direction in a market which is still not begun, the electric SCV market. So this will be seen as positive for Tube Investments. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning. Vedanta came out with its business update for quarter 1, wherein alumina production declined by 18% year on year and 4% sequentially to 395,000 ton. Whereas the cast metal aluminum production increased by 2% and 1% quarter on quarter to 579,000 ton due to efficiency in the operations. Iron ore production declined by 9% year on year and 24% sequentially due to operational inefficiency. Uh, Total saleable production increased by 20% year on year to 324,000 ton due to higher production capacity post the debottlenecking which was carried out in FY23. However, it declined by 16% sequentially, mainly due to planned shutdown in quarter 1. Copper production stood at 31,000 tons, down by 19% year on year and 10% sequentially due to shortage of blister in the international market, which was partially offset by improved operational efficiencies. So overall, this is neutral for Vedanta. Uh, Coming to Hindustan Zinc business update, its mine metal production stood at 257,000 ton versus 301,000 ton sequentially and 252,000 ton year on year. Production was mainly driven by higher ore production and improved mine metal grades. Uh, Zinc production was up by 3% sequentially. Lead production was up by 6% sequentially, whereas silver production stood at 5.8 million ounces versus 5.9 million ounces sequentially. So overall, this is neutral for Hindustan Zinc. Thank you.
Good morning. Senco Gold Limited is opening IPO today. And it is closing on 6th July. The price band is rupees 301 and 317. The total issue is of rupees 405 crore at the upper price band, consists of fresh issue worth rupees 270 crore and offer for sell worth rupees 135 crore. It is estimated to utilize the amount of rupees 196 crore towards the funding of company's working capital requirement. So Senco Gold Limited incorporated in 1994 and is a pan-India jewelry retail player. It is the largest organized player in Eastern India based on its number of stores. It primarily deals in gold and diamond jewelry along with the jewelry made of silver, platinum, precious and semi-precious stones and other metals. Overall, 90% of its revenue comes from gold jewelry, followed by 6.8% through diamond products and 3% from silver jewelry. It offers products through its key brands such as Everlight, Gossip, Vivaha, Perfect Love, and Aham. It primarily categorizes all kinds of customers like women's, men's, and kids. The Senco Gold operates in an asset-light business model where it operates total 136 stores, of which 75 are company-operated stores, while 61 are franchisee-owned stores. It is well positioned in the Eastern India and other non-Eastern regions with its legacy of last 5 decades of journey, and it has delivered 24% revenue growth over FY21 to 23, with a margin improvement from 6.6% in FY21 to 7.8% in FY23. Although the company has showed the decent performance in terms of profitability amongst its peers, it has observed the challenges generating the positive operating cash flow during the last 2 years. Further, debt to equity ratio stands at 1.2 times as on March 23. However, the IPO is issued at 15.55 PE valuation based on its FY23 EPS, which is at discount relative to average PE valuation of its peers. Thus, we recommend subscribe to the issue for listing gains. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, Reliance Jio is launching its mobile phone, which they talked earlier. This is mainly targeted towards moving the 2G user of mobile to from feature phone to smartphone, and the price of the phone will be capped at 999. This is mainly will help Jio to transfer or to pull the customers from the other two players, that is Vodafone Idea and Bharti, wherein the Jio is offering a package for pulling the customers from the feature phone of the other two players. So this can act as a positive for the long term, because in the near term there could be cost associated with this, and Reliance may be incurring some cost, some discounting in the offering these phones. So can act as a long term positive for the Reliance, and maybe bit negative for Bharti and Vodafone Idea. Apart from that, Avenue Super Smart, that is D-Mart, has shown revenue growth of around 18% year on year, and earlier the growth of 20% plus is now toned down to around 18%. Earlier we had seen that the company was reporting over 20% growth year on year, but in recent time the growth has come down to 18%. So it's more of a neutral for Avenue Super Smart. Apart from that, we met the management of Wellspun Corp yesterday, and seems positive. Last quarter, company came up with good numbers, and these good numbers are likely to sustain in the coming period as well. Company has done a lot of investments in the recent past, specifically in DI pipe, which has started operations in last 6 months. Apart from that, they had done investment by purchasing plastic Syntex plastic division, Syntex tank, and that is also likely to get operationalized in the coming period. Uh, so these two businesses come. Apart from that, company had done investment earlier for the TMT bar as well. So there again, some incremental growth can come from there, but the larger revival was seen in the line pipe business, that is LSAW and HSAW pipes, which has shown improvement in the last quarter, and that is likely to continue in the coming period as well. The US operation has turned around well and is likely to continue in the coming quarter as and year as well. So overall seems positive for Welspun Corp, and company can give reasonable return, not extraordinary, but around 20% return it can give over a period of 1 year. Now I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So yesterday we had witnessed gold, silver, and other commodities rising, and witnessed profit taking in the second half of the session. And today there could be some pullback in gold. One can initiate buy around 58,200 and maintain a stop loss of 58,000. On upside again, 58,500, 600 seems to be the area where we are looking to take profits. And similarly, silver also we are expecting 71,000 to 71,500. So buying around 70,200 is recommended, and one can maintain a stop loss of 69,700. In crude oil, we are expecting a pullback till 5,800, and then selling pressure could be witnessed. So selling with a stop loss of 5,900 is recommended. On downside, 5,700 to 5,670 is the target we are looking for. Natural gas might cool off till 215, which is a good support level. So one can enter long and maintain a stop loss of 205. In metal, there could be some range bound movement, though for trading purpose, one can initiate a sell in copper with maintaining a stop loss of 720. And on downside again, you can expect 712 to 11, whereby again one can initiate a buy. So all in all, looks range bound movement in metals. Zinc also, we are expecting prices to test 211 to so one can initiate a sell around 214.50, and again one can buy around 211, maintaining a stop loss of 209. So, seems to be a range bound movement in metals. And also today US market are closed on the Independence Day, so we might witness some less movement in the evening sessions. Yeah, thank you very much, and I'll ask Utkarsh to take over from here.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. Yesterday, we saw in morning session in USG and there is a very strong selling pressure. But after that, we witnessed some buying accumulated from the lower levels. For today's trading session, we are anticipating there might be a more selling pressure on the higher levels. If we get any pullback around 82.02 to 82.05 levels, so one can initiate a short positions with a strict stop loss of 82.15 for the target of 81.90 and 81.80 levels. In Euro INR, prices are sustainable 89.53 levels. So one can initiate a long position with a stop loss of 89.29 for the target of 89.80 and 89.92 levels. Thank you.